Good afternoon. I'm Joe Herbert, your Erie real estate agent, and I'm here with another awesome listing by Joe Herbert Realty. We are at 3971 Knoyle Road. This house is almost 1,300 square feet. It's got 2 bedrooms, a beautiful full bath, gorgeous kitchen, an office, a big family room. Off to my right, we'll get to it in a second, is a really nice 6-car garage man cave. And off to my left is another storage building for your tractors and things like that. And this is 265 and it's going on the MLS tomorrow, October 14th. And before we go in, I want you to like, subscribe, and click the bell so you get more notifications for great Joe Herbert listings like this. Thanks. Let's go check it out. Come on. I'm inside 3971 Knoyle Road, and when you walk in, there's this great, really nice mudroom, cool little things to hang up your coats, and shelving down here for shoes and accessories. And this is a Corian countertop bench, and then you can walk right into this real nice storage room, coat closet. So now you walk right into this beautiful open kitchen dining area and open to the living room. This is a really nice kitchen. You got nice Corian countertops, new laminate floors. You got this eating area right off the kitchen. Look at this beautiful island counter. Again, this is Corian. All the appliances stay. You got a nice stove, propane, gas, oven, microwave, beautiful dishwasher, double sink. Nice, also nice LED recessed lights. This is just a beautiful kitchen. This opens up right into a really nice family room. Check this out. This is nice and open, hardwood floors, and you got plenty of windows going all the way around, and double doors that walk out to a real nice composite deck that is covered. Also, there's a really nice wood burning stove right there, setting on a nice concrete pad, and this heats the entire house if you decide you don't want to put the forced air heat on. Let's take a quick look outside at this patio. It's beautiful. This is a really nice covered composite deck right off of this dining area. So we're going to take a quick look into bedroom number 1, and it's the master bedroom. It's got hardwood floors and a real nice walk-in closet. Check it out. Right behind me is bedroom number 2, right off the kitchen. It's got laminate flooring and a nice little bedroom. So take a quick look at that. Next is a little 2-step riser into a real nice office that also could be a 3rd bedroom. But if you're working from home, this is a great workspace. Let's take a look. Beautiful, right? Big work table they have here with their computers, bookshelves. This is an awesome office if you want to work from home, and lots of nice natural light. Next, we're going to go in the basement because there's a nice laundry area, and the washer and dryer down there is included. Let's go check it out. So this basement is setting on a slab. It doesn't have a full basement. It just has this partial basement for storage and laundry. It's nice and clean and dry, and this washer and dryer does come with the property. I love this shower. It's huge. It's ceramic. You walk right in and out. Low threshold to get in it. It's got one of those nice shower heads with the rain that comes out of the top, and then another one where the water comes out of the wall. Beautiful. Double bowl sinks. This is a great bathroom. Come on in and check out this shower. I love it. Check it out. $3971 Knoyle Road. We're going to give you a quick tour of the grounds and this beautiful deck and some of the storage buildings. And this is setting on 3.3 acres, and it sets back off of Knoyle Road. It's nice and quiet and private. And this is a really nice composite deck. You walk out to it from the big living room. Check this out. Isn't this beautiful? Right back here is a real nice storage building garage with a nice overhead door. It's a man cave. It can be a workshop. You can put your tractors in there, your toys. Great building. And that's not the only one. We're going to show you a beautiful 4-car garage outbuilding that the property also has. So if we just take a quick scan around, you can see this beautiful landscape lot. Again, 3.3 acres off of Knoyle Road. And it goes back to the woods behind me and walks all the way around to the property. So let's go check it out, come on. Is this amazing or what? What a beautiful 3.3 acre lot. And we're gonna walk right around now to this gorgeous 4-car garage man cave. Come on. So look at this beautiful building behind me. We're gonna go in the front entrance of it. Gorgeous resin heater. It's got a full bathroom. Let's go check it out. This is amazing. Take a nice scan of this. And right over here, also it can be heated with a wood stove. So this is a great outbuilding, parking lots of cars, your boats, your toys, everything. So that is 3971 Knoyle Road, $265,000, brand new Joe Herbert Realty listing. If you're thinking about buying or selling real estate, I can help. I'm Joe Herbert, your Erie real estate agent, 814-602-6181. And again, don't forget, like, subscribe, and click the bell so you get more listings like this. Thanks for watching.